The storm also forcing a Wish TV reporter to drastically change his wedding plans and reschedule his honeymoon.
Yeah, this is a heartbreaker, and we know it's not the only one that's happening. Daybreak's Joe Melillo planned his wedding for this Saturday in Charleston, South Carolina.
Joe spoke with our own McNicholas, and this is a really tough situation.
Yeah, talk about a headache. Joe was just absolutely thrilled to marry the love of his life in just 2 days. As we'll hear in a minute, this is far from the only wedding affected by Irma. The good news for Joe, he's still getting married, just won't be the wedding he expected. I mean, how are you feeling right now? I can't even imagine.
Stress.
Yeah.
Here's a moment the planner never mentioned.
Oh, it could have been a lot worse.
Joe Melillo and his fiancée, Carrie Jones, explaining why they're asking their wedding guests to stay home.
With the threat of evacuation and the threat of a hurricane, instead of putting people in danger for a party when all they're going to be worried about is how they're going to get out, we're going to just cut it out and then move it.
This is the USS Indianapolis Memorial by the canal.
You might know Joe as a Daybreak 8 reporter or the host of the Nerd Panel. Behind the scenes, he's spent a year and a half planning a 130-guest destination wedding. The big party has now been moved to the spring, but the couple will still get married tomorrow with about 30 of their closest friends and family.
If they're here, they are more than welcome to come, but we told them all, if you have to evacuate and you think it's what's best for you, then you can go ahead and leave and be safe.
Sometimes there's last-minute moves.
Lacey Clegg is an event planner for the Indy Wedding Center. She didn't plan Joe and Carrie's wedding, but the company is planning 2 destination weddings that will now be moved from Florida to Indiana. And that's not all.
This Saturday, we have a wedding where the officiant isn't able to travel up in time due to the hurricanes.
Joe and Carrie are moving their Caribbean honeymoon to January. They plan to head back to Indiana Saturday as Mr. and Mrs. Melillo.
Well, we're going to go to the beach and relax and have a good time for a little bit.
So Joe and Carrie now reaching out to people on social media, trying to keep their guests as informed as they possibly can. A tough decision, but, you know, they had to do it. You got to do what you got to do.
Oh, my goodness. And the most important thing is everyone is going to be safe.
Sure.
But, of course, you can't help but think about the money, right?
That's right, yeah.
Are they out just thousands?
Well, refunds and rescheduling, those are 2 words that Joe and Carrie have been using a lot today.
Yeah.